Hello, good morning from Thailand. This is our second day here at the villa, and I am super tired because I was up at 5 a.m. editing yesterday's vlog. So I have to wake up, and the best way to do that is this. Good morning! If you did not see yesterday's video, we had a tour of this villa, so it is linked in bio. Go check it out. It was also a really sick day, so double linked in bio. We have 3 missions today. First mission, get breakfast because I'm starving. Second mission, get scooters. So that leads to the third mission, which is find something sick to do here, because there is a lot to do here. There's rafting, surfing, waterfall, seeking, hiking. So we just have to find out where things are and what we want to do. So, welcome to our villa bar. This is where we get all our drinks. 2 beers, please. Okay. Or shall I ask you? Huh. Comedy. Fine, didn't even want a beer in the morning. But let's go to the kitchen where all the sick breakfasts are made. So on the menu here we have Cocoa Crunch and some more Cocoa Crunch. But it is whole grain, so it is healthy. Just kidding. Did you really think I was having Cocoa Crunch for breakfast? No. We are in Thailand and it is super cheap food, so we are going to a restaurant. And they have rented mopeds now. So let's go to breakfast, mission 1.
Okay, now Nilla is in the town. He gonna rap about this day. Got breakfast, no. He don't know something that's faster than Toren.
Prank. Gotta shower first. But in Thailand we do not shower inside. We shower outside by the pool. Yeah, awesome. Woo. So the neighborhood can see us naked. What? Huh? Okay. Ah! Ah! Oh, that's cold. Woo! We were just about to get food, and look what the neighbor brought us. And don't worry, it's not a total stranger. The owners know her. So, but this is amazing. Holy. Well, that's awesome. That means mission 1 and 2 are done. Now on to mission 3. We've actually heard that it's possible to surf 20 minutes that way. So we are going to check out the surf and see if we can surf for the second time here. So let's put on our gangster helmets and let's go!
Waking up, I'm taking chances tonight. I'm opening my eyes and I'm feeling.
And we made it. Okay, made it to the beach, but oh man, there are very little waves. No, what is surf? But look at this amazing beach. Look how big it is. Holy. Look at that from there. Okay, so we asked the people that worked here at the surf shop, and they said the waves get bigger later in the day. So we are just gonna wait a few hours here, chill by the beach, and maybe eat some food, and then wait to see if the waves get bigger. I hope so, because we really want to surf. Still waiting for the barrels, sick waves, 'cause we're sick surfers. Yeah, so we're still waiting. We waited one and a half. Oh! If you ever need some love, just come to the beach with us. You got love. And 2. A tea in a tea. Okay, we waited 2 hours now, so I think we're just gonna try to surf these waves with longboards. We'll see. Got surfboards. Let's try this out. Oh my god, look at that huge wave! What? Woo! Look at Toe! Go Toe! Go Toe! Go! Yeah! Oh. Okay, let's go! Okay! Woohoo! Everybody caught it! Woo! Basically a pro surfer now. Look, now we're definitely pro surfers. We sit like surfers. Okay, not really. Okay, nah, I'll take that back. We're not pro yet. Hey! Oh. Nelly versus Toof. That is a wrap for today's surfing. Now we're gonna go back to the cribbo, so let's just spin back because we have a 40-minute drive ahead of us. And we are back at the cribbo. And we are so stoked that we got to surf today because when we got there, it was totally flat. There was no waves at all. But the people that worked there said we had to just wait for the waves, so we did. We waited like 3 hours and it was totally worth it because we did get some waves. I mean, it wasn't the biggest waves, but we learned how to surf, and that's the most important. Basically what I'm saying now is I'm dropping everything else and I'm focusing 100% on surfing because I'm gonna go professional. I'm gonna be a professional surfboarder. Yeah, Mom, it's gonna be awesome because I'm sick of surfing. I'm basically a pro surfer now. But we are totally exhausted after 3-4 hours of surfing, and there is a very nice sunset going on there. Look at that. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you like that, hit the subscribe button because we'll be posting several times a week when we're down here. So I'll see you in the next video. Basically a pro basketball player too. I swear that was my first try.